Right now, a lot of persons are making lots and lots of money on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram without showing their faces, just by creating AI stories. It could be folktale, it could be love stories, any kind of story. Videos like this look so real, you can hardly tell it was created using AI.
Are you just trying to prove something?
You have everything, I have nothing.
This particular video was made by a creator on Facebook and on TikTok, and I can tell that those videos were made using AI. They look so real. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a realistic long AI videos. Yeah, this particular video you're seeing here was generated using free AI tools, from the scripting to the image generation to the video generation, editing tool. Everything was done for absolute free. So now it's time for us to generate our script. Since I already have my prompt, I will just copy and paste my prompt into ChatGPT. Yes, and if you do not have a prompt ready, you can just use this sound icon and just tell ChatGPT all you want to create. Like now, I am writing a story about love and betrayal. Yes, just tell ChatGPT, I want to create a movie scene about, I want to create a movie about love and betrayal. And for the images, I want a lady in her mid 20s, a Nigerian lady, or just specify any other nationality that you want. Describe your image, describe everything you want, then just give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate a very good script for you. But since I already have my prompt, I only gave it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give me the required script. It also gave it a title, When Love Is Not Enough, and generated its chapter by chapter, different scenes, dialogue scenes, and all of that. So just go through them and make sure that there are no mistakes in the prompts generated. And where there are mistakes, just copy and paste and edit them. Read them in a way that it's okay by you. Once it's okay by you, just go ahead and start generating your images and all of that. For this particular one, when I read through it, I saw that it only generated the script. It didn't generate it into dialogue scenes. So I asked it, I want you to break them into dialogue scenes. As you can see, it's already generated it into different dialogue scenes. The title, chapter 1, the day they met, supermarket afternoon, Amara. Oh, I'm so sorry. Kunde, do you live around here? Amara, yes, not so far. Blah, 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 blah. So once you are done with that, you also tell it to help you generate the image prompt for this particular movie, for the particular script. You ask it to generate image prompts for it. Each of the image should have different prompts. And for this particular, we are having three different characters. We have Amara, we have Kunle, and we have Amara's friend. So now ChatGPT already generated the image prompt for the three characters. We have Amara, a young Nigerian woman in her early 20s, dark brown skin, oval face, natural beauty, full lips, and all of that. Then we also have Kunde too, a young Nigerian man in his mid-20s, and we also have Chioma, Amara's friend, and all of that. So as you can see, it generated the prompt for us to use to generate our image character. Now it's now time for us to generate our images. We can do that using ChatGPT, Meta AI, but for the purpose of this, we are using Wix AI in order for our movie scenes to have a very consistent character. So you head over to your browser and type Wix AI. Then to bring you to this particular interface where you have to sign up using your email if you haven't. So after signing up, you click on enter tools. Yes, enter tools. After clicking on enter tools, then you click on this add images. You click on add images. Then to bring it to this particular interface where you will see subject, you will see scene, and you will see style. So for the purpose of this particular movie, we are going to click on subject. Yes. So the subject just indicates the subject is just our character, where we'll input the prompt for our character. Yes, so it depends on the amount of characters we have. You just click on this plus icon beside the subject. You keep adding. If you're having 4 characters, you click on that plus icon and it keeps adding. It keeps adding. So the box, yeah, that's where we're going to input our prompt for the various images. Then now you click on one of those boxes, then you will see a pencil icon. Yes, on the pencil icon, that's where you will input your character prompts, your image prompts. Head over to ChatGPT, copy the prompt you generated, then bring it back here and paste. Once you are done pasting it generates and you allow it to load up. You can see it already generated the first character for us. The next thing for us to do is now to generate the second character. We also click on that box, then the pencil icon will come up. Then you copy the second character, which is Kunle. You copy it, then you go ahead and paste it. Then you allow it to load up as well. As you can see, our second character, which is Kunle, has been generated. Now, the next thing for us to do is to also generate our third character, which is Amara's friend, Shoma. So, head over to ChatGPT again, copy the prompt, and paste it just the same way we've been doing for Amara. Also, just the same way we did for Amara and Kunle. As you can see, Amara Shema's image is ready as well. So once you're done with all of this, the next thing for us to do now is to generate dialogue, the dialogue scenes. And to do that, you just have to click on this space that says add images. Yes, once you click on that add images, as you can see, the 3 characters, like the 3 images are being checked. Let's say we want 2 characters in a particular scene. We only have to check those 2 characters. Then we leave the other character that is not in that particular scene at that moment. Like now, this scene we are going to generate only comprised of Amara and Kunle. So we only check Amara and Kunle. We leave Shioma out of it. After checking the 2 images in that particular scene, you now give it your prompt. And then you give it your prompts, then it will allow you to generate. So as you can see, it generated 2 different image scenes. So you just pick one that best suits you. Like for the purpose of this, we are going to pick the first one because I think the first one appeals to me more. So I'm going to pick the first one. Then I would save it. If you do not like what it generated, you can still regenerate by like tweaking the prompt to what you want. If you've watched this video up to this point and you've not subscribed, please do where to hit on that subscribe button and subscribe, like the video, and share with those that might be interested in this video. Yeah. So after generating your images using the Wix AI, the next thing for us to do now is to animate our images. Yes, we can animate our images using the Grok AI, when and all of that. But since Grok is no longer free, for the purpose of this particular video, we'll be using Gwen AI because Gwen gives you free coins to use every day. You have to sign up on Gwen if you haven't signed up. Yes, because Gwen gives you coins to use every day. So once you are done signing up, you click on create video. Yeah, when you click on create video, you click on this you click on the aspect ratio. We have the 1:1, we have 3:4, 16:9, 9:16. The 9:16 is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and all of that. But for the purpose of this particular video, we are using the 16:9. Once you've got the aspect ratio, you click on the plus icon, then to take into your gallery where you will upload the image we generated using with AI. Yeah. Then you will also give it your prompt. Give it the prompt of what you want it to say. Yes. The dialogue prompts. You head over to ChatGPT and copy the dialogue prompts, then paste. Like this, Amara says, "Oh, I'm sorry, sir." So you just copy and paste. Then you allow it to load up. Takes some while to load up. You have to be very patient for it to appears. Now,
Sorry, sir. You didn't go away. I'm just tired, sir. Honestly.
so I did not really like the outcome of what it generated, so I had to give it another point. So once you don't like what is generated, you can as well regenerate another one. So after retweaking our prompt, this is what we got at the end of the day.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Fine.
I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
It's alright, no problem. Are you in a hurry?
Not really. I'm just tired.
So once you're done, the next thing for you to do is to use an editing tool to join together all of your clip. You can decide to use any editing tool that you are comfortable in using. But for this, I'll be using CapCut. Yes, so just head over to CapCut and upload all of the videos created. Then that's all. Yes, that's all. Do your basic edits, remove every unnecessary spaces, edit them, add your color grading, add your sound, anything, edit them to your satisfaction, and you are good to go.